how to link your Google with your account in Cake application. So in today's video guys, I will tell you the easiest way how to do this. So just follow this video till the end. So now, and first you need to open your Cake application like this. And after this, you have to come here to your profile icon. And right now guys, you have to come to your settings. Right now guys, you will come to Google and click on here. They will take you to another page and you will write your information about your email, also your password of your email, and then you will link your Google. As you see, I have already, you will choose like an email from here. So that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.